Forgive the horrendous close-up, but I want to hide what we're going to talk about today. It's been a bit like Christmas. We've received an amazingly huge parcel from our friends at Pixapro, and we want to share with you the tips, tricks and things you can do with the wonderful stuff inside. So, welcome to the world of wonderful continuous LED lights. So it's a big hello from St. Damien of Illumination. No, joking aside, what we want to do is have a look at these LED powered ring lights and panel lights so we can tell you what use they'll have for you, whether it's just illuminating a business Zoom call, or you want to become a professional vlogger, a professional makeup artist, you want to share your story with the world, or you want to use them in the real world of photography. Let's show you what we've got with us today. So, our friends at Pixapro have sent us a plethora of light to review, look at, test and advise you what's the right light for what you want to do with it. So what have we got? We've got the Glowpad 450D, that's the round one. Then we've got the Ricoh 240, we've got the Pixapro Glowpad 350D, then we've got the Ricoh 240 RGB Mark II, the Ricoh 2108 Mark II and the Ricoh 140B Mark II. And what we're going to do is look at each light individually, look at its pros and its cons and what it's best for doing, so we can advise you where you should place your hard-earned. When we normally produce videos to share stuff with you guys, this is how we normally light them. Two HDMIs bounced off the return lip that we built into the camera room for bouncing flash. So we've got a big wall of soft light going this way, and we're going to show you how the continuous LEDs, whether it's a panel or a ring light, could properly replace these guys. Whether you're using panel light to mix colour temperatures and film a really cool talking head headshot, or you may be using them to illuminate yourself with Zoom calls to reach out to the rest of the world. LED ring lights are great if you, like me, want to share your makeup application tips. Or of course, you can use it as nature intended for lighting beauty headshots. Chin down. Fantastic. So, tiny insight there into all the amazing things we can do with these continuous LEDs. So watch out for the next instalment where we'll really delve deep into one of the lighting units and show you exactly what we can do with that and what it's suitable for you to have. Thanks Pixapro for sending them. We're going to have a blast trying them out.